everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is basic stamping or stamping 101, and I want to show you how to open the new stamp pads. We used to be able to push them and flip them open. It was really hard, and this one is really easy. You see here, you've got the little lip here, the little thing, where you're just going to take that and you're just going to flip it like that. Again, just take that and flip it open, okay? They have some stickers that you can put here. I put some in here, and then they also have a sticker that you can put here. Now, once you open it like this, again, this is just like our old ones. You just slide them in, and it locks right there. The first few times you do it, you may have to push, but don't worry, you can put some wax on there from a birthday candle or something. And then again, this one doesn't have as deep of a finger hole as the other ones, but you can just pull it out, flip it over, and just make sure it's closed. Again, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the side like here with the lip. You're just going to pull it open. You're going to slide it in. It locks, stamp. When you're done, pull it out. There you go. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.